Take a ride in the 2018 Titan XD. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: spray-in bed liner, running boards, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, power rear window sunshade, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, leather seats, compass. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.